Come on. You're running away.
Come on.
Brayden takes a couple of detours in the way. It takes us an hour to get someplace. Get up.
Come on, buddy.
Why, were you just going to chill there all day?
Run to the pool. Go.
You're being funny.
Come on. No.
It went to a rock.
No.
Come on.
No. Come on.
Bye-bye. Me and Daddy are leaving.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Later, Gator. You're done. Bye, Brayden. Bye. Bye. Oh, sorry. Run. Roar. Roar. He's trying to find anything he can to pick up. And he found... Oh, bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Here's our apartment. We live in the one right over there to the right. See that one? And this is what the volcano is right behind those trees. And there's Foxy. This is where we walk down the poles over there to the right. Brayden, we're leaving.
Hey.
He doesn't care. Whoa. Bye, Brayden.
Runner.
Here he comes running. Here comes Luke. Come on. Now he's going to go see Luke. Brayden, he sees his bats. What?